Cable ties might seem like simple tools, but without the proper tension, you can leave your bundle either too tight, too loose, or with unnecessary sharp edges. The solution? Our cable tie installation tool. This adjustable tool works with nearly all of our cable ties and gives the exact tension every time. But what about that troublesome cable tie tail? If you leave it, then it's in the way. If you cut it, it leaves a jagged edge. Well, the same tool that gives the exact tension also cleanly and correctly removes the tail of the tie. Sure, you could cut the tail off yourself with a pair of snips or even a razor blade, but then you leave the jagged edge we mentioned. This edge can damage surrounding materials, especially when subject to constant vibration, such as on a boat. Remove the risk and get the correct tension and the correct cut in one smooth motion. Well, what if you're working with stainless steel cable ties? No worries, there are two tools to get the job done. This hand tool allows you to coil the tail of the stainless steel cable tie while tightening the head to the correct tension. This way, you remove the impedance of the tail while properly securing your bundle. The twisting action gives you full control over the tightening process, ensuring that you get the exact tension each time. But maybe you're looking for something more potent. This stainless steel cable tensioner and cutter is the ultimate one-handed cable tie tool. Lightweight and easy to use, this tool provides a mechanical advantage over standard hand tools. It tightens and cleanly cuts the tie to give a professional, uniform look. You can see how having the proper tools determines the difference between a job done and a job done correctly. You can get all of the cable ties and tools you've seen here at pacergroup.net, your new home of over 9,000 high-quality electrical supplies.